What?
A quiet intro.
Quiet intro. What it? Why I got this? What it do, K-Light Squad? Back at another video. Y'all already know what time it is, family. As you guys can see by the title, we about to... Boy, why boy look like that in my video? Y'all already know who here, man. This is Jay here. We here. We finna make some fried Oreos today, y'all.
I have the Oreos.
So you got the Oreos or I got the Oreos?
You have the Oreos.
Oh, okay.
You got the powdered sugar.
Yeah, definitely need the powdered sugar to go on top. Got some pancake mix.
And
yeah, we got some eggs.
we got the egg.
They gotta save them, right?
And we got the milk.
We got some milk.
And we got some Loretta's pancake mix.
Yeah, I said that already.
Oh.
Okay, thank you. You want to introduce the stuff that I didn't say?
I think we're all good right here.
You good?
Yeah, I think we're all good.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we got some sugar.
Oh yeah, you have like. Oh yeah, you
Got
have, like,
sugar, y'all.
And
Then we got
a
a
mixer, so you use the bowl when you have a mixer.
Yeah, he don't got no mixer, so we gotta use the bowl, y'all.
Yeah, the classic
So-
bowl.
So we about to go ahead and start mixing it up. About to make some fried Oreos. Are you excited?
Yes.
So we excited. I'm excited because I'm ready to eat something actually. AJ, you ready to? Yeah, AJ over there. He got the vid, y'all, so he gotta stay fucking around.
Yeah, he's on that right now.
He got the vid, huh? He got a Rona. So hopefully he don't, guys. But yeah, so we about to go ahead and get it mixed up. So we about to, you gonna mix it?
Sure.
Yeah, he gonna have clumps in it, so I'll probably mix it, y'all.
I'll mix it.
You gonna mix it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay, cool. So we about to go ahead and mix them, show y'all a little mix, and then we gonna drop them in the oil. Till we get back, y'all already know what time it is. I got a bowl, y'all. Y'all already know what time, y'all already know what we gotta do. Hey, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Kay. Boy, if you don't fit, you feel mad. If you're new to my channel, my name is Kay. Thank you for walking into my life. Anything dealing with my life will be here. Thank you for coming and chilling with us today. So we about to start mixing. We'll be back. That boy ready. Ain't got nothing to do. We'll be back, y'all. At this moment is when I realized we probably need a bigger bowl. I tried to let my boy stir, but yeah, it wasn't working out too great. So let's go ahead and get a bigger bowl, y'all. Some fried Oreos.
That's a lot of mix. Oh, guys, you getting like dough. Or is it supposed to be like dough?
Okay. I'm doing all that breathing over there now.
Mom do be hurting now. Yes, sir. What the
hell, everybody want to do a video nowadays. So I'm finna saran wrap the
I'm here.
finna saran wrap. The mix is done, y'all. So we about to saran wrap it
in the
in.
background.
Yeah, he quiet. We wouldn't have never known. So we about to let it sit for a couple minutes.
You'll never know.
All right, so it's wrapped. About to let it sit. We'll be back. Like for real, y'all chilling.
Who waited for you to start?
Yeah, we started.
Oh.
Yeah, so how y'all gonna do some stuff? You ready, bud?
Even Kaki said it.
Right? You tried to get up. So our mix has sat for 5 minutes. I don't know why I got these kids in this video, y'all. I ain't even gonna hold you. They ain't here doing nothing. Okay, so the Oreos are open.
First off.
You just had 2 slices of pizza.
What you said?
He's starving.
That's what you said?
Yeah.
You starving, buddy? Okay. So. Alright. So we're gonna put them in the mix, y'all.
No, stop.
Stop what?
What you doing?
You okay, girl?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yo.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to mute this. Cause
Well, I don't like eating this. I don't like eating this.
don't worry, but it's gonna be different. Don't worry. Our hands are clean, by the way, guys.
Yes.
Yes.
All right, so go put the first batch.
Okay, eat one.
Not. We gotta wait till it gotta.
Alright, I
I
don't
mean,
want
what
to
it
eat
is.
one.
No, you gotta. We making fried Oreos right now.
Oh, the whole thing?
Yeah, we gonna make the whole thing.
That's
Oreos?
gonna be so sad.
What's gonna be so sad?
You using all the Oreos. It's gonna be sad.
Yeah, you just gonna say, no, don't leave me, but oh, no, please do.
What was that one? Yeah. So we can stop.
Okay.
So guys, the Oreos are coming out lovely. Not too much better, not, you know, a little bit less and more enough, you know, but it's definitely coming out good. So guys, these are the Oreos without any powdered sugar. What y'all think, man? I think I did a great job. What you think, mommy?
I think they look good.
Right. We're gonna add some powdered sugar. Everybody don't eat them with powdered sugar, so I ain't add it. But yeah, tell me what y'all think, man. Oh yeah. So guys, we have completed the ending of the, here go the ones with the sugar.
And without the sugar.
I think I did a great job. They look nice and scrumptious. If you guys never had fried Oreos before, excuse the noise in my background. There's a noisy 3-year-old that just can't be quiet.
Yeah, no, quiet.
So, if you guys never had fried Oreos before, they usually give them at the, well, not give them, you gotta pay for them, at like most fairs and stuff. So yeah, but we made these homemade. I'm excited by the outcome of these though.
And his quiet.
Boy, I tell you. So this is the end, guys. Thank you for coming with us on this journey of making fried Oreos. Y'all already know what y'all gotta do. Like it if you feel this video. If y'all want to go ahead and take the recipe and go make your own fried Oreos, y'all can do that too. But y'all already know what y'all gotta do. Hit a sub to be a part of the squad, though. And last but not least, leave a comment so I know you came through.
And a like.
Yep, the like was the beginning, son. Was you here or was you not?
No, it's not.
I bet he wasn't. So, yeah. Look, I'm excited. Huh? Here we go. Yeah, guys, I'm going to end this video. We out.